Welcome. Today we are going to learn how to find the exact trigonometric values for the angle of 60 degrees. Instead of just memorizing a table, we will derive these values from scratch using simple geometry. This way, you will truly understand where numbers like square root of 3/2 come from. We start our journey with a perfect equilateral triangle. In this shape, all three sides are exactly the same length. More importantly, all three internal angles are equal, and since the angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, each angle here is exactly 60 degrees. This is the perfect starting point. To do trigonometry, we need a right-angled triangle. So we draw a straight line from the top vertex down to the base. This cuts the triangle perfectly in half. Now, look at the angle at the top. It was 60 degrees, but we split it into two 30-degree angles. The angle at the bottom remains 60 degrees, and the new angle formed by our line is 90 degrees. Now for a clever trick to make the math easy. We could use variables like x, but it is much simpler to just pick a number. Let's assume the side length of our original equilateral triangle is 2. Why 2? Because when we split the base in half, the new base of our right-angled triangle becomes exactly 1. So, our hypotenuse is 2, and our base is 1. We know the hypotenuse is 2, and the base is 1, but we are missing the height. We can find this using the Pythagoras theorem, which states that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So, 1 squared plus the height squared equals 2 squared. Solving this, we find that the height squared is 3. Therefore, the exact height is the square root of 3. Now we focus on just the right-angled triangle on the left. Let's label the sides relative to the 60-degree angle at the bottom corner. The longest side, opposite the right angle, is the hypotenuse, which is 2. The vertical side is opposite the 60-degree angle, so its length is the square root of 3. The bottom side is adjacent to the angle, so its length is 1. Let's calculate the sine of 60 degrees. The definition of sine is the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. Looking at our triangle, the opposite side is the square root of 3, and the hypotenuse is 2. Therefore, the exact value of sine 60 degrees is the square root of 3/2. Next is the cosine of 60 degrees. The definition of cosine is the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. Our adjacent side is 1, and our hypotenuse is 2. So, the cosine of 60 degrees is simply 1/2, or 1/2. Finally, let's find the tangent of 60 degrees. Tangent is defined as the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. The opposite side is the square root of 3, and the adjacent side is 1. Dividing by 1 leaves the value unchanged. So, the tangent of 60 degrees is exactly the square root of 3. Here is a summary of the exact values we derived. Sine 60 is square root of 3/2. Cosine 60 is 1/2. And tangent 60 is the square root of 3. Memorizing these is good, but remembering the triangle with sides 1, 2, and root 3 is even better because it allows you to derive them anytime you need.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.